guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we're testing out some makeup. We are testing out this palette. It is by Blank Canvas Cosmetics and it is the Masterclass Palette 1. Master Series Palette 1, if I could read. I got this in my glossy box in the All I Want limited edition box. It is worth £30. I will link it down below. And yeah, I'm super excited to try it. I have swatched a couple of the colours, but I haven't actually put them on my eyes yet. So it is a vegan friendly palette. And then you get a double-ended brush with it. Get out. So one end is a blending brush and one end is a flat, like to pack colour on. And then we have 12 eyeshadows. They are all matte apart from one here, which is a shimmer. I will swatch them all on my hand now, my arm now quickly for you. And then we're going to see how it plays on my eyes. So
the first colour is called Lily and it is a very pale white on me. It's just my skin colour basically. Next one is Goddess, which is the shimmer. It's a really pretty gold shimmer. Next one is another very pale pink. It's called Core. Again on me it's basically just my skin colour. Next we have Hibiscus. Can't even see where I've gone. That Core one is literally the same colour as my arm. We have Brazen, Carmen, which looks like a beautiful deep colour. Oh, it's really pretty. Got a cloth down here I'm wiping in between, just so you know. I've got Cocoa. That's a bit powdery. Downtown. This one's called Forza. Isn't Forza a computer game? I'm sure Forza is a game. It's a Forza. Hickory. Oh, that's nice, that's a pretty colour. Then we have Strut, which looks like a pinky colour. And then finally Corruption.
So that is the palette. They're very kind of neutral, warm toned shadows. I'm going to clean all this off and we're going to put it on my face. Right, I'm all clean. I'm not going to use the brush that came with it just yet, but I will do eventually. I've just got a Morphe M576 and I'm just going to go into, I think I'm going to go into Brazen to start with. There's literally no fallout from that, like tapping into it. And I'm just going to kind of get this down as a transition. If you're new here, I'm not very good at makeup. I'd just like to let you know that before you tell me, because I know. I just have fun with it. That's a really nice base colour. I like that. Okay. Now I'm going to go into Carmine on that same brush. And just bring it down a little bit into the crease. And that blends together nicely, which you would expect from colours of the same palette, we'd hope at least. Oh, I really like that one. That's a lovely colour. I love warm tones. And with that same brush, I am going to just go back. I'm going to go into Core and Brazen together and just go over the edge. Core was basically my skin colour, so okay, I'm happy with that. So now I'm going to go into the smaller blending brush. They must sell brushes as well, because this one says it's an E40 and this one is an E41. So they must sell these brushes separately. I'd assume so anyway. I'm going to go into Cocoa. And this one has got quite a lot of fallout. The other ones haven't had any so far, but like you can see there is quite a lot of fallout on there. And then I'm going to bring this lower in the crease. Where's the colour? Hello?
Yes.
This is quite a scratchy brush. And the colour just isn't. Let me just try it with another brush. Try it with one of my own brushes and see if it's the brush or if it's this eyeshadow. You can see straight away that has made that, the colour is showing up more with this brush. That's weird. That's weird. Oh well. It's a nice colour. And then I'm just going to get my giant brush again and just go over everything just to make sure it is all nice and smoothly blended. We'll give this brush another go. I'm going to go into Hickory, which is a deep kind of plummy brown. Again, it's just not there. Let's try on this one again. You can see straight away the colour is there with them. Okay, so this brush I don't like. I'm going to attempt to use this gold shade on the flat side of the brush for the lid. Oh, that's pretty. That's a really pretty colour. Okay, now I'm going to just wet this brush with some Fix Plus. I'll try it wet and see if it's any more intense on the other eye. Oh wow. Okay, yeah. So wet. That is ridiculous. Look at that. Wow. That is super pretty. I really like that. I'm now just going to get a little fluffy brush and I'm going to go into Hickory and Cocoa. And I just want to kind of go over this edge just to go from like the shimmer to the matte. Oh, I really like this. Oh, that gold is so pretty. Okay, let's do the under eyes. Have I got any small brushes clean? Probably not, because I am umming. Are you clean? You're clean. Okay, for the under eyes, I'm just going to basically go in all the colours that I used. Just kind of mix together and just start to smudge underneath. I might have used Hickory, didn't we? Put a little bit of Hickory just right on this edge. Oh, I love this palette so far. All my brushes are dirty. And then I'm just gonna smudge it out a lot. All my brushes are dirty because I'm a minger. Let me just look at that. Look at my highlight. Oh, it's a cheapie. It's a cheapie. It's this, for anybody that is going to ask, because I know you will. It's my favourite highlighter. It's Maples, but we're not talking about that today. Oh shit. Haven't got enough hands. Right, I'm going to put some mascara on and I'll come back. Right, Face is finished. I absolutely love this palette. That gold is ridiculous. It is so, so pretty. It just doesn't do it justice on my hand. It's so lovely on the eyes. I absolutely love it. I would definitely recommend this palette. I'm going to have a look and see what other ones they do, because the colours blended really nicely together. Didn't like the brush, not going to lie. Don't rate the brush at all. But it doesn't bother me in the slightest. I really, really love the palette. I think it's a really good one. It's £30, so it's not the cheapest palette, but it is a really nice one if you wanted like a nudes palette. If you like warm nudes, then it's a really good palette. And you can, I think if I would use Corruption, you can get a really nice smoky eye out of it. But that wasn't what I was going for today. I just kind of wanted a nice warm autumnal look. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.